Hey guys, Joel Heath, gonna show you how to set up the new Illum. Very excited about it. It comes in predominantly plastic-free packaging. We're in our warehouse, so it might be a little bit of good background noise for you. The real deal, right? So it comes with a little bit of instruction manuals on the front and back, so put these to the side. Now you got your gooseneck, which is the part that's gonna go on the top that you can bend. We'll walk you through that in a second. There are 3 lights. There's 2 horizontal top lights and 1 vertical down light. So I'll just unpack those as well. So that's the vertical light. You can tell because it doesn't have a silver end on it. Then we got our 2 horizontal lights right here with the 2 end caps. So put those to the side real quickly and just keep unpacking everything else. Now this is the desk clamp. Super simple. It can be oriented and we ship it in the vertical position, but if you want to, you can also disconnect that and put it in this position as well. Desk that I'm working on here. And just tighten it, get a nice snug fit on that. Here we go there. And then unpack the guts of the light here. So this is the vertical plug. These orange are meant to take off. This just protects it during shipping. And you just place it on in here. Put that on there. So we're just gonna plug this one in to this piece here. Nice snug fit. Right there. And then in this bag here, just a little bit of plastic packaging we have. This screw set will screw into the side here and that just locks it so it doesn't come out as you want. Totally optional. I like to put it in there just so it goes in. Now we just start plugging the parts together, so it's really super simple. Just like the old headphone days. Now, this piece can be oriented towards you, it can be oriented towards the back if you want it. It can be moved all different angles, so it's one of the unique things about this piece. We just take the gooseneck, plugs into this piece here. Again, we take off the orange parts. They're just protecting your connections and shipment. They just poke them in there so there's no gaps so you can tell. I'm going to take off the orange here as well. And then I've seen some people leave it this high. It's not meant to be this high, but what you can do is just start to bend it to the height that you want. Obviously you're going to be able to change that throughout. And we just start to put the horizontals on as well. So there. Plug it there. Then we got it. Our first vertical setup. Give it a quick test. Let there be light. Beauty of this is, if you want a task lighting to aim down towards you, you just put it down. If you want to light yourself up on Zoom, you put it right at you. If you want to give a little backlighting on the wall, you can do it through there. That's it. Pretty simple. 3 minutes is about what you should expect.